Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix no notification sound on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notification. After click on notifications, click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see a problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset accessibility setting. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app, click on software update, click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.